and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is the tutorial we're waiting for. So I'll be taking you on how to tie your normal multi-plant gele. So as for me, there are two styles. There are two ways I know you can actually tie your multi-plant gele. There's a way you can tie it before starting your multi-plant, or you tie it after your multi-plant. So making use of this actual pay, and we'll be dividing it by 70-30. 70-30. So we're making 5 plants. So I made 5 plants. And to tell your client to help you put this side. So you will be gathering the 5 plates together like this by putting them on top of each other, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. While checking the other side, I'll also arrange this side too. So this is it. So now we'll be tying it at the back. So this is how I tie. The longer side will stay down and the shorter side will stay up, and I'll tie like this. So now we are done tying. So this is it. And you now start with your planting. You start with 5 planting. So this is it. So you start by making your 5 pieces this side. You can actually pin it if you want, but my client will help me to hold it. Why I move. So now I will now start making my multi-plant like this by placing it on top of each other. So you make sure you arrange your plates very well at the back.
Yeah, yeah. When they tryna hold me, I go zoom, zoom, zoom. Don't like your vibe and I go zoom, zoom, zoom. Blowing up the roof and it go boom, boom, boom. Don't you ever treat me like I be moon, moon. Bad energy, I zoom zoom.
As you can see, we are done with this side.
Be on my way like I be coming soon. Got a chopper on that nigga, boom, boom, boom. So when they tryna hold me, I go zoom, zoom. It's a long time coming, why they hop on my thing? Do not hesitate, that's why I got this confidence thing. Just be careful, if you fly, they gon' try cut all your wings. When I talkin', it's the end.
So now move to the back. So keep it like this. Like this. And we tuck it in. Then we tuck it in and draw it. Oh. Then you now have to arrange this side. So as you can see, we are done. So now we have to arrange this back to look neat. The gele is already tight, but I will still tie it here at the back. And now I'm done tying it. Then I'll use the remaining parts of my actual gele that remains at the back to cover it up like this. So this is it, and my gele is set. It's very simple and thank you. So next week I'll be taking you on how to tie the other tie or the other way of tying your gele by holding it like this without tying and then so thank you, and after watching, don't forget to click on subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Just be careful, if you fly, they gon' try cut all your wings. When I talkin', it's the ending, that's the way of a king. I won't rest till the money made me sagging my jeans.